Would it make sense to try to straight up jump into multifamily instead of flipping, wholesaling single family houses first? He says, I'm 20, I'm graduating from college soon, spent a lot of time learning and looking at commercial real estate. What are your thoughts? You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live.
I think that commercial real estate is something you get into a little more once you're established and have established income. I think for that gentleman who asked that question, I think you get into making income from real estate, moving in and out of deals, making 20, 30, 50, 100 grand from a deal, building up some breathing room for yourself. And then going and start putting that money to work, start taking some of the tax advantages you do from commercial real estate and creating passive income. But if you're at no income right now, you have to start creating income somehow.
Be sure to get your free copy of my best-selling book, How to Be a Real Estate Investor, and that comes with the audiobook version as well. Click the top corner. Yeah, the reality is long-term real estate investing is a game of return on investment.
Mhm.
There had to be a start. You had to have some investment. This is very different from flipping and wholesaling. And there's some questions related to that. And can I get into it with no money down and those kind of things? But when you're owning long-term rental property, there's a certain investment required, either in the down payment or in the renovations. If you syndicate every bit of the purchase and you get loans, oftentimes there's no cash flow left. So it is a return on investment. So for this 20-year-old gentleman just getting out of college, love that you're into real estate. Well done. Really excited for you. But I think it's important that you start generating income, and you can make a lot of money from flipping houses. And then you take that money and you can then go buy long-term rental property. Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.